NGOs Role and Contribution, Drug Abuse. Presented by Cadet Vinisha Varghese, NCC, St. Joseph College, Irinalakuda, 7 Kerala Girls Battalion, Thrissur, Ernakulam Group, Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate. NGO, Non-Governmental Organization. NGOs Role and Contribution. Organizations which are independent of government involvement are NGOs. Types of NGOs. There are 4 types. First one is INGO. It stands for International NGOs. Second one is BINGO, Business Oriented International NGOs. The third one is RINGO, Religious International NGOs. And the fourth one is ENGO, Environmental NGOs. Examples of important NGOs: Sri Niketan Yojana by Rabindranath Tagore, Sevagram Yojana by Gandhiji, Gram Yojana by Vinoba Bhave, Child Relief and You, Helpage India, People for Animals and Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, International Red Cross and Red Crescent Movement are the world's largest group of humanitarian NGOs. Contribution of NGOs. It includes blood donation, adult literacy, anti-dowry drive, anti-leprosy drive, anti-drug drive, tree plantation, environmental programs, help in natural calamities such as flood, earthquake, educating people about the ill effects of AIDS and education for prevention of the same. Family planning programs, community development work, promotion of social equality, wildlife and animal care, human rights, awareness campaign, child care, polio eradication drive, providing schooling facilities, especially in remote villages and rural areas, creating and providing health and hygiene infrastructure and facilities to reduce disease and help in creating a healthy and fit population. Cottage industry, orphanage and old age homes. Contribution of youth towards social welfare, leadership, community service, national and cultural integration, education and literacy, environment, healthcare and family welfare, physical education and adventure training, old age care, watershed and wasteland development. Family planning. Family planning is defined as the voluntary, responsible decision made by individual and couples as to the desired family size and timing of birth. Therefore, on the micro level, it means children are born because they are wanted and provided for, and on the macro level, it contributes to the betterment of human life. Methods of family planning: vasectomy, tubectomy, conventional contraceptives like condoms and diaphragms, oral pills. Drug abuse and drug trafficking. Drug abuse and drug trafficking. Drug abuse or substance abuse refers to the use of certain chemicals for the purpose of creating pleasurable effects on the brain. There are 3 main types of drugs affecting the central nervous system. First one is depressants. Depressants are drugs that slow down the function of the central nervous system. Depressant drugs do not necessarily make a person feel depressed. Depressants include alcohol, cannabis, barbiturates including Seconal, Tunal and Emmetal, benzodiazepines, benzos, tranks such as Rofinol, Valium, Serapex, Mogadon, Normizan and Upinose. GHB, gamma hydroxybutyrate or fantasy, opiates and opioids including heroin. Second one is stimulants. Stimulants act on the central nervous system to speed up the messages to and from brain. They make the user feel more awake, alert or confident. Stimulants increase heart rate, body temperature and blood pressure. Other effects include appetite, dilated pupils, talkativeness, agitation and sleep disturbance. Mild stimulants include ephedrine used in medicines for bronchitis, high fever and asthma, caffeine in coffee, tea and cola drinks, nicotine in tobacco. The third one is hallucinogens. Hallucinogens affect perception. People who have taken them may believe they see, hear and perceive things that are not really there, or what they see may be distorted in some way. The effects of hallucinogens vary a great deal, so it is impossible to predict how they will affect a particular person at a particular time. Hallucinogens include datura and ketamine. Thank you.